Ploughing is essential. Before sowing any crop, the soil needs to be turned, bringing the freshest nutrients to the surface, giving farmers the best foundations for growth. For this, farmers need the best plough metal to slice through the ground. We at SpareX supply Vulcan Plough blades, a market leader in the industry, transforming the art of ploughing and empowering farmers across the land. Let's discover the journey this metal takes from factory to field. Nestled within the heartland of Sheffield, the Steel City, a forge emerges as the birthplace of plough metal, Vulcan Plough, renowned for their extraordinary quality. These exquisite plough points, mouldboards and shares are created with carefully selected metal, forged fiercely in searing heat, moulding it into shape with precision and strength. It is here that quality begins to take its first form. Far removed from mere mass-produced alternatives, these plough parts are crafted to a standard beyond that of their competitors. Cut with absolute precision with state-of-the-art laser cutters, ensuring a seamless fit onto the plough. This thoughtful planning reduces setup time, allowing farmers to maximize their efficiency in the fields. Every piece that leaves the factory bears the mark of Vulcan. Replacement of a farmer's plough metal for the new season is essential to provide the best results and yield at harvest time. Installation with Vulcan is swift, a testament to the precise design that ensures a seamless fit. Once installed, the multiple parts of the plough body align perfectly, sitting flush on the frame, making up each furrow, ensuring the highest level of precision and fit. Once in action, the true value of Vulcan becomes evident. With each furrow overturned, these meticulously forged pieces of metal bring forth the best results with the least effort. They cut through the ground with a robust and consistent fold, creating an even and well-presented tilth. With their superior quality, they withstand the relentless challenges of the toughest fields day after day, outlasting their counterparts, giving you the best results. We at SpareX want farmers to be as best equipped as possible. Vulcan gives farmers the best advantage in all terrains. Every part has been created to give maximum wear resistance, resulting in extended product life and the highest performance to ensure that you get the job done.